A bum once said, "I am so smart, and so I shall speak from the heart. While I do like to do a nice big smelly poo, what I most love's a nice stinky fart." Let's draw a bum.
Keep busting.
Okay, so we're going to start with a circle in the middle of the page. Sort of nice and big for this time. Just drawing lightly. Don't worry if your circle is a bit lumpy and funny. Bums are lumpy and funny. Next, we're going to draw a very light line down the middle of our bum. This is a very important line because this is going to determine the size of our bum crack. Now, we have to think about how big we want our bum crack to be. Do we want a long bum crack? Do we want a short bum crack? In this instance, I'm just going to go with a medium bum crack. So from the middle of the bum, I'm just going to draw a line down a little bit darker now. We're starting to define our shape. And just before I get to the bottom of the circle, I'm going to do some curves, just a curve line that connects with the side of the circle, like that. There we go. And these are our bum cheeks. Now, if you've got an eraser, you'll want to erase the bottom bit of the circle there. I've just got one on the end of my pencil, but you might have one like this. So I'm just going to erase away there. There we go. Oh, our bum's taking shape. Now, we'll darken the line around the outside of our bum. Giving it a bit more shape, a bit more definition. There we go. Nice. Now, the top of the bum crack, we're going to put a little V. And that is our bum cleft. Now, we might just want to erase the little bum crack line that we had here. And now we want to give a bit of character to our bum. So I'm going to give it some eyes. So I'm going to put an eye on this side and an eye on that side. Give it a pupil. There we go. And because bums don't have mouths, they can't really emote with a smile or a frown. So a lot of the emotion is going to come through the eyes. So we can do different types of eyes, angry eyes, happy eyes. I'm going to do happy eyes for my bum. He's quite happy to be a bum. So I'm going to indicate that he's happy by doing some eyebrows up the top. And there we have it. We've drawn a bum. And it doesn't have to stop there. Now, that is quite a plain looking bum. So you might want to have a little think about what kind of things you would like to put on your bum. And once you've mastered drawing a basic bum, you can do them in all shapes and sizes. There are big bums and small bums, square bums and tall bums. Once you've got the basics down, there's no limit to the amount of different bums you can do. Why not get a piece of paper and do lots of different circle shapes and fill it with bums?
Keep busting. No, that's good. Keep busting.
You now know how to draw a bum. With that knowledge comes great responsibility. Use it wisely. You might want to practice by drawing different people as bums. You could maybe do a portrait of your dad as a bum. I'm sure he'd love that. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. And until then, stay safe and keep drawing.